We're going to be talking about 9 things that you shouldn't do if you're about to close on your house. Let's do it. Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Valera. I'm a realtor here in McKinney, Texas, and I'm very, very excited to share with you 9 things that you should not do before closing on that house. Let's get into it. You know what I really want to be when I grow up? A firefighter. I'm gonna pursue that job today. Goodbye, I quit. Don't quit your job or change jobs.
I said, don't do it.
Oh, cool, you have the new Disney cards? Whoa, can I open up a new account? Do not apply for credit anywhere except with your lender.
Ew.
I'm gonna transfer everything to my savings account. Extra money, interest. Do not change bank accounts or transfer money within your existing bank accounts. That's what Captain America says. I mean, technically I'm not Captain America though, right?
Mama, can I go to college? I'm bigger now.
Sure, sweetie.
Mommy, can you co-sign for my loan?
Of course, sweetly deedlies. I will co-sign for anything for you. You need a new car? I'll get you that new car. I'll co-sign for everything. Do not co-sign for anyone, for any reason, for anything.
I said, don't do it.
That's how you keep your credit super. I'm gonna get that truck now, yeah! Do not purchase or attempt to purchase anything with your credit cards. No trucks, no boats, no other real estate. Don't do it. Just don't do it.
I said, don't do it.
I'd like to buy these, please.
Will that be all for you today, ma'am?
Of course.
That is $1,006,100,010,000. How are you gonna pay for this?
With my credit card, of course. Do not charge any abnormal amounts to your credit cards or lines of credit.
I said, don't do it. Oh man, I'm late on my mortgage payment. Do not incur any late payments or late fees, or the credit monster's gonna get you. Yeah, Josh. Yeah. This is Samantha. I'm so sorry, but I didn't sign that. You know, I know you told me, you called me, you texted me, you emailed me, but I know I want to read through everything, and I just want to make sure that I know what I'm signing. You know, and it's just, you know, it's been a long day. I've been at work all day. I just haven't signed it yet. Yeah, I'm sorry. Is that gonna cause some problems? Don't wait too long to sign those papers for your lender, or for your real estate agent for that matter. Just don't do it. When we send you something to sign, attack it. Sign it right away.
Well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
So, will you marry me?
Yes, sugar dumpling. So if you plan to put a ring on it, or take a ring off of it for that matter, be sure to discuss that with your lender. Here are a couple quick tips of things that you should most certainly do
whenever you're making that home purchase. Be sure to keep all of your accounts current. That includes your mortgage, your credit cards, any lines of credit that you have open, your car payment, anything, make sure it's kept current. Please, 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 please do contact myself or the lender if you have any questions at any time. We're here for you. So ask the questions. So make sure that you're making those mortgage payments either ahead of time or on time, especially if you're going to be paying it all off and getting your new loan for your new house, even if the account is being paid off with your new loan. And please return our phone calls, our emails, our texts, whether it's from myself, the title company, the loan officer, or anyone else involved in the transaction. Make sure that you are responding to us and return our messages or questions that we have for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you keep coming back. Please hit the subscribe button if this is your very first time here, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this or had a good laugh on our expense. I hope that you all have a fabulous, wonderful day, and we will see you all next time on The Little Things. Can you say it, Shirley? Will you marry me?
Shirley.
Shirley?
These are real, right?
Oh, that hurt my eyes.
Say it loud. Okay.
Okay.
Not that loud. Or the... Oh wait, what was I going to say? I'm gonna go get my boat and a gun and a truck. Yeah.
I would love to open a new account. Don't.
Shh. Hey, look at the camera, look at the circle. Ready?
All together.